Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to take you on a very quick tour of our inside cabin on the MSC Seashore. I'm going to show you how much space there is, the bathroom, the bed, and the storage space. And I will let you know, is this a room that you should stay in on your next cruise? Okay, so the first thing I noticed in this room, it is extremely modern. There's a king size bed, and you get this shelving or bedside tables on both sides of the bed. This reading lamp right here, and on the other side, you get the same thing, but you also get a USB outlet. I wish they had that on both sides, but because I like to charge my phone. We have this really nice modern decor right here. Okay, I'm gonna go look at storage space. So we haven't unpacked yet. I mean, we're only on a 3-day, so I think the 3-day storage should suffice, but I think if it was a little bit longer, you might run out of space. Right? Okay. You have your dryer, so no need to bring your dryer. Okay. We have a few more shopping units right over here. Some storage here. Some storage here. So there is a fridge and a mini bar, but this is not complimentary. Go, just in case you need a snack or a drink in the middle of the night. There you go. Then we have the TV here and the desk, 2 European outlets, 2 American outlets, and 2 USB ports. Right here, your phone. This is an amazing mirror in the room. It's probably one of the largest I've seen in any cabins that we have stayed in. We have this chair. Okay. You have this little bench, so if you want to use it to get ready, another mirror right over here. Okay, we have the temperature control, lights. You do need your key card to turn the lights on and off. So there, your muster station and safety information. There's a few hooks, which is a really nice touch. Now let's look at this bathroom. Glass shower. It's always a plus. Okay. Handheld shower here with shampoo and shower gel. So bring your own conditioner if you use it. We have some shelving here. Very modern, very functional. Oh, and is this a little extra mirror for shaving or makeup, which is fantastic. Okay. There you go. Did I miss anything? I think that's it. Oh, added touch. Towels. So you don't have to go grab them from the pool deck, so they're in your room already. And some extra storage space underneath is a great place to store your luggage. Right underneath there. Okay, that was a very quick tour of our inside cabin on the MSC Seashore. We are on the 10th deck, and this was room 10163. After spending 3 days here, we found it very comfortable. I think if I were to change anything, the shower was a little bit tight. I'm only 5 foot, and I found it a little bit snug. So if you are taller or a larger person, you might find that it's a bit tight in the shower, but it did the trick. The other con was the bed for me. Even though it was very comfy to sleep on, I woke up all 3 nights with a sore back. So I don't know if it was very specific to this room, but that's just what happened to me. Other than that, I found the room very comfy. It did the trick for 3 short days, and we don't regret staying in inside cabin. It's very economical and allows us to do multiple cruises a year. So tell me in the comments, have you stayed on MSC Seashore in inside cabin? Are you inside cabin type of cruiser, or do you require a balcony? Let me know down in the comments. And if you are new and you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're gonna have more videos on reviews, especially on MSC Seashore. If you want to check out the review on the ship, make sure you click right here, and stay tuned for more videos coming up soon. See you on the next ship, and happy cruising.